the last number is simplify 1 over 3 minus naka-bracket siya, no? So 2 over 5 plus 1 over 4 is divided by 3 over 8 times 1 over 3. So, pag nakikita kayo ng problem na ganito, it's either you can use BODMAS or PEMDAS. But since itong BODMAS is it is common na talaga na tinuturo sa Pilipinas, so ito na lang yung gagamitin natin na method. So, in here, in this number is, unahin natin ay yung naka-bracket. Ito, tsaka ito. The next is ang division. Itong division. Then, after natin ma-simplify itong naka-bracket, then i-divide natin. Then, simplify na yan. Then, subtraction. So, i-copy lang natin ito na problem at sasagutin na natin. So, copy. Then, i-paste ko dito. So, solve muna natin yung naka-bracket. So, bali, 2 4, 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Then 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Then copy the operation. Then 5 times 1 is 5. So, bali, 13 over 20. Then ang isa naman, bali, 3. Multiply lang natin from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, bali, 3 times 1 equals to 3 over 8 times 3 equals to 24. So, 3 over 24. So, bali, magiging 1/3 minus 13 over 20 over 20 divide, copy lang yung sign, 3 over 24. So, or magiging ano to? Diba? 1 tsaka 8. So, magiging 1/8 na lang ito. Divide 1/8. So, i-divide natin itong dalawa. Ito. Unahin natin to kasi according sa BODMAS, yung division talaga yung nauuna before yung subtraction. So, 13, reciprocal natin, magiging from division to multiplication. So, magiging 8 over 1. So, cancel. Magiging 4 tsaka 10. So, 13 times 4 equals to 12, 4, 5, 52 over 10. So, from 52, 26. Right? 26 over 5. So, 1/3 minus 26 over 5. So, magiging 15 times natin to. 5 minus 3 times 26. So, magiging 3, 6, 7, 78. 78. Magiging 78 minus 5. So, 2, 72. 73. 73. So, 73 over 15. So, since this is the improper fraction, so we can transform this into improper fraction. So, bali, ganito, 73, 15. So, pwede 4. Kasi 15 times 4 plus 220, 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 60. So, magiging 60, then 73 minus 13. Magiging 13. So, since this is negative, then the final answer will be negative 4 13 over 15. So this is the final answer.